Tesla has officially moved forward with the production of its highly anticipated Model C, confirming that the compact EV is now in the final stages of development. This isn't just another addition to Tesla's lineup, it's poised to completely disrupt the electric vehicle market in a manner reminiscent of the recent impact made by the refreshed Model Y Juniper. Elon Musk is positioning the Model C as a groundbreaking leap forward in affordable EV technology, aimed at making electric mobility more accessible than ever. With a targeted starting price of only $17,890, Tesla is boldly undercutting key competitors, like the Chevrolet Bolt EUV and the BYD Dolphin, by thousands of dollars. But the real story lies in how Tesla plans to maintain its innovative edge while driving costs. This low dot at the core of Tesla's strategy is a complete overhaul of design principles. In a move that signifies a major shift in brand identity, Tesla has decided to eliminate the iconic T logo from the Model C, a change that was first tested on the updated Model Y Juniper. Musk believes the vehicles should be instantly recognizable based on their shape and design, along similar to how the silhouettes of a Porsche 911 or Ferrari 458 are immediately identifiable. This design choice is not just about aesthetics. It's about simplifying production and reducing costs. Eliminating branded components, even something as seemingly minor as a logo badge, cuts complexity and shaves down expenses at scale, potentially saving Tesla millions of dollars across global production lines. Beyond the visual identity, the structure of the Model C is where the innovation truly shines. Tesla will use its cutting-edge gigacasting technology, which enables the production of major chassis components, like the rear underbody, as a single casted piece. Traditional car manufacturers still rely on welding together dozens of parts for similar sections of the car, a practice that increases production time, costs, and potential points of failure. With gigacasting, Tesla slashes part count by over 60%, massively improving manufacturing speed and efficiency. And with the likely integration of Tesla's white, Tesla could deliver a 20% improvement in energy density, thereby extending driving range without increasing battery size or cost. What also sets the Model C apart is Tesla's intent to make it the quietest and most comfortable ride in its price class. Borrowing acoustic innovations from the Model Y Juniper, Tesla is expected to include double-layered rear glass and optimized cabin insulation to reduce internal noise levels by 3 to 5 decibels. That's a major improvement in a market segment where cars often reach uncomfortable noise levels of 70 decibels at highway speeds. Bringing that figure down to about 65 or lower brings the driving experience closer to that of premium luxury sedans, like the BMW i4, but at a fraction of the cost. This focus on cabin quietness is complemented by Tesla's attention to material science, where enhanced insulation and sound dampening materials have been strategically applied to critical structural zones. These choices don't just improve the auditory experience, they help reduce structural fatigue over time by minimizing vibrations that can lead to wear and tear. Another major efficiency innovation lies in the vehicle's climate control systems. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, commonly referred to as HVAC, notorious energy drains in EVs, especially during extreme weather. Tesla aims to counteract this with a more advanced and efficient HVAC system, complemented by a silver-coated dual-layer glass roof that minimizes thermal fluctuations inside the cabin. This design, also featured on the Model Y Juniper, helped reduce cabin heat loss by up to 6 degrees Fahrenheit in cold weather and cut heat gain by up to 9 degrees Fahrenheit during hot days. For a smaller vehicle like the Model C, these gains could be even more pronounced, leading to real-world efficiency boosts of 10 to 15 miles per charge under harsh conditions. Tesla's redesigned HVAC system also lowers fan RPMs while maintaining airflow and temperature control, resulting in energy savings without sacrificing comfort. Perhaps surprisingly, Tesla is also reintroducing a design element that it had previously removed in its pursuit of futuristic control interfaces. The turn signal stalk. Earlier designs in the Model S and X removed physical stalks in favor of touch-based buttons on the yoke steering wheel, a decision that drew significant backlash. Many drivers found these digital alternatives unintuitive, particularly those transitioning from traditional gas-powered cars. Tesla appears to have taken that criticism to heart, as the Model Y Juniper quietly brought back the stock-up move likely to continue in the Model C. This change not only improves ease of use by minimizing driver distraction, but also offers potential cost savings. Unlike capacitive buttons that require complex electronics and programming, a mechanical stock is cheaper and more durable, precisely the kind of pragmatic choice Tesla needs to keep costs down while still delivering on user-friendly innovation. Safety and technology integration are also at the forefront of the Model C's feature set. Tesla is reportedly including an advanced cabin sensing system capable of detecting human presence through biometrics such as heart rate and breathing patterns. This system goes well beyond traditional ultrasonic or infrared motion detectors, offering more precise detection that can differentiate between a sleeping infant and an object left in the back seat. If it detects signs of life in the cabin while the vehicle is off, the system can trigger alerts, honk the horn, or even activate climate control via the Tesla app. This is not only a critical safety feature, especially to prevent child or pet fatalities, but also lays the groundwork for future autonomous driving applications. As Tesla continues developing its robotaxi fleet, being able to confirm the presence, awareness, or distress state of a passenger will become essential. So how is Tesla achieving such a low price point while delivering this level of innovation? The answer lies in its revolutionary manufacturing strategy centered around its new Gigafactory in Mexico. This facility is unlike any of Tesla's previous production hubs. It's the first to fully implement Tesla's next-gen production model, which includes gigacasting, unboxed vehicle assembly, and AI-driven manufacturing automation. The unboxed assembly method is a modular approach that allows different components of the vehicle to be built in parallel rather than sequentially, slashing assembly time and costs. Combined with AI and machine learning systems that continuously optimize the production process, this strategy is expected to dramatically increase throughput while minimizing defects. Tesla's goal of launching the Model C at an astonishing $17,890 puts it in a league of its own. The current Model 3 starts at $38,900 in the US and over $42,000 in many international markets. By comparison, the Model C's starting price cuts the cost of EV ownership by more than half, opening the door to a whole new market of first-time EV buyers. For those seeking something more premium, Tesla is rumored to be releasing a limited launch edition of the Model C with enhanced features such as an upgraded battery, improved interior finishes, or even unique paint schemes. While pricing for this special edition remains speculative, it's expected to land in the $22,000 to $25,000 range, still significantly below most other EV offerings with similar specifications. Tesla's Model C isn't just another entry in a growing field of electric vehicles. It represents the culmination of a decade of innovation, experimentation, and continuous improvement. With a radically rethought design, unprecedented production efficiency, and an unwavering commitment to merging cutting-edge technology with affordability, the Model C has the potential to redefine the entire automotive landscape. Tesla has proven time and time again that it's not afraid to challenge conventional wisdom. And with the Model C, it's doing exactly that, building an electric vehicle that doesn't just meet the expectations of budget-conscious consumers, but far exceeds them. If all goes according to plan, this may be the EV that finally tips the scales and brings electric mobility into the mainstream. Whether or not you're ready to make the leap, it's hard to deny that the Model C is shaping up to be a transformative force in the world of transportation.